What's up, everyone? It's your boy Jermaine back with another video. Back with another 360 video. Yes. I just left this this cookie shop right over here on the corner. It's called Insomnia Cookies. It's from New York. They have really good cookies. Yeah, this is just random video. I'm filming this on like a Tuesday. The time is 5:40. No, yeah, it is a Tuesday, 5:40. Wow, look at all these places that are closed. I think I pointed those out in the other video, but I think this place is closed too. Oh, both of these places are. I will tell you, it's a whole lot easier to walk and navigate yourself around these streets right now. Okay, so what we're gonna do, instead of taking the center, we're just gonna cross, and then we're just gonna go up bush. Cause I don't think I've gone a bush. Yeah, let's just go up there. Hopefully the light changes and we can go straight. Can you say straight? Is that like a cool thing? Can you say straight? Like, go across, right? Yeah, okay. Let's go across. Cool. So we're gonna just go up. Wow, it is a beautiful day. We got the fog rolling in for sure. Yes, I got the sun over there behind me. Gosh, I pick up from this subway every now and then. I mean, people are really mean here, you know. Like, I don't know why. It's like, my bad. I mean, at least you get free soda all day, you know. At least you get to make yourself a sandwich all day, you know. Like, I don't even get that, bro. I mean, you got a bathroom in your restaurant. I gotta go find one in the street, you know. Like, come on, give me a break. Wow. Look at this. It's right up in the alley, yo. Look at this old AT&T building, too. Now on a Tuesday, there won't be as many tourists, but I'm gonna keep it real. There's a lot of tourists here for a Tuesday. Yeah, I just noticed, just even in random parts of the city, because you can tell by the rented bikes, and you usually see groups, you know, groups of 3 or groups of 4 or groups of 5, you know, a family for the most part. Everybody got a bike, you know. All right, so this is Chinatown. I'm definitely gonna do Chinatown in a different video, because I can go and get lost in Chinatown. Chinatown's a lot of fun. No, we'll just go zigzag through Union Square. I like to take different streets, you know. I just want to stop and like look. There's a lot to see. There is a lot to see. let's keep cruising. We are going to go up instead of down. Now this block has really went through some changes, I'll tell you. You can just look around and tell for yourself. I don't have to say too much.
I tell people I have problems. I have real fucking bad problems.
So from what I hear, this parking garage over here is really, really inexpensive. I don't have a car. When I had a car, I never parked there. But I hear people always say like that's the cheap parking garage. Okay, instead of going straight down Stockton to Union Square, we are going to take this way over here. I feel like this person is like right here behind me. This here is a little entrance, a back entrance to the Apple store. It's got some sort of notification. Oh no. Yeah, this is like the back side of the Mac store, the Apple store. Yeah. I don't know, let's I don't know if I can walk through. It may be a line. Yeah, it may be a line. I don't know if I can walk through. Let's try it. It works. All right, let's go through the Apple store. Actually, since we're already in the Apple store, I mean, why not walk around the Apple store, right? There's some pretty cool views in the Apple store. Check it out. Oh wow, they fixed the window. It was broken, and they put a big sticker over it, and they fixed it. Ooh. All right, let's get out of here. But I haven't been in the Apple store in a long time now. The Apple store is really, it used to be really hard to get in here with all the COVID restrictions. But like now it's like not that big of a deal. Probably because they want you to buy an iPhone, which I got like, I got 2 iPhone 12s. So next year should be a year I should like update. But I don't know, we'll see. I mean, maybe if they have like Type-C or something. Oh, there's that wind. Cool thing. go cut through the park. The park is the place where all the cool people go and smoke. It's the park, right? This here is Union Square. If you don't know, maybe this is like the first video you've seen of mine, but yeah, this is like a little square. I'll stop somewhere in the middle so you can look around because there's a lot to see. There's a bunch. Especially if I had like a really big tall pole, I could like stick it up in the air, you know? But I don't have a really big tall pole. Maybe I should get one. I saw on Amazon this pole that's like, I think it goes 20 feet in the air. It has a really, really big base on the bottom because for it to go 20 feet in the air, it's got to be sturdy at the bottom. Especially if you put a camera on top, you know? So, yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna get the one that's 20 feet because I don't know how to justify like spending that amount of money for a I don't know how to justify spending that amount of money for something I'm not going to use that much, you know? It's not like I film sporting events, or it's not like I like film stuff like that, or like I need the camera that high. I mean, if you need the camera that high, it's almost better to just get like a drone, right? You know? Because that way you can control it like however you want. Alright, let's continue cruising around. Earlier today I had like some of the apps running and I couldn't believe like how dead it was. Like it was insane. Like it was incredibly dead. Like it's like no, I think I had like a $4 order on Uber or something. Like it was crazy dead. Only reason I accepted that one because sometimes if you accept like a really low ball number, like a $4 order, what they'll do is by the time you get to the restaurant, they'll add another order to it, right? So you go from $4 and then another one will pop up that's like $10, right? And you accept that one and then you do 2 orders for like, you know, for $14, right? I guess that's better than just doing it for 4, right? But that's pretty much what is going on now.
The husband was like, yeah, my wife.
Check out this building here, y'all. We got a lot of fog here. Maybe if I stand back. Not fog, we got a lot of wind. That building looks really sick, y'all. It's one of those like I really don't notice that much, you know, because if I'm on a bike, I'm not really paying that attention. We're gonna cross because the wind. I think it's less windy on this other street. We are cruising back through Tourist Central. I guess the other neighborhood is Fisherman's Wharf. Actually, Fisherman's Wharf is way more touristy than here. I mean, here it is touristy, but Fisherman's Wharf is for real touristy. Like it's got that water on the other side, so there's not neighborhoods, you know. Just like here, there's like neighborhoods and stuff around. What are they doing? They're making the ground all fancy. That's how they get the ground like this. They like put the stuff down there, right? Have to see what it looks like later. I really notice that like a lot in New York, or like you walk down the street and you're like in front of like a fancy place and it's like glitter on the street sort of thing, you know? Where could you go? This way. Like, you know, in these videos, I'm going to try to go, like, different routes, like, different streets, you know? Because I go to a lot of the same places, like, all the time. And if I just zigzag more, it can be far more interesting. Because I don't know if I've ever, like, I don't know if I've ever put this video in a street. This street in a video. I almost said I don't know if I put this video in a street, but I've never put any videos in streets. You know, that's just something I've never been able to pull off. All right, so straight ahead we got another tourist hotel. That's a big hotel. Believe it or not, these hotels aren't cheap, yo. Like a hotel like that in the middle of the summer, it might be $300, $400 for like the cheapest room, you know. And don't get me wrong, like they might have specials, they might have deals, but yo, it's like not that great, man. But then it's also a supply and demand thing. Like, you know, it's only so many weekends in the summer, so, you know, prices just get inflated, you know what I'm saying? That's how it works. But yeah, one thing about this hotel, it's very centrally located. It's right near Union Square. And it's like, it's somewhat in a good spot in Union Square because it's not like too touristy. Like that Union Square over there where we just left from, it's not too touristy, but then at the same time, it's in a real good location because it's like right here next to the market. So if you're, you know, flying in from Europe, you can just fly in, and if you wanted to, you know, you can take the BART, right? You can take the BART down to here, like Powell Street. You can get off at Powell Street, which we're gonna walk right by the BART actually. But you can take Powell Street and get off, and right there at the hotel, you don't have to do the taxi thing. But I don't think a lot of tourists do that though. I think a lot of tourists, like, they drive or they, you know, maybe take a taxi. I mean, yeah, don't get me wrong, I'm sure a lot of tourists take the train, because whenever I'm on there, I always see hella suitcases. I haven't been on the BART train in a minute, though, I'm gonna keep it real. Like, I only get on there when I'm like going out of the city, and I just haven't been on there in a minute. It's kind of how it goes. There's Burger King. Y'all hungry? Go in there and get you a French fry. I mean, French fries, or the Impossible patty. Yeah, the Impossible patty. I was looking at the store. I'll tell you, about an hour ago, it was pretty sunny out here. The sun is like went away. It's definitely went away now. It's all quiet out here. People are packing up, getting ready to go. Guys, I think I'm gonna wrap this video up. Thanks a lot for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Yeah. Let me know. Put something in the comments. Talk about something funny. Is put a timestamp so I can see it. And if you watch to the end of this video, put 27 in the comments. That way I'll know you watched to the end. And if you watch with your Oculus on, let me know too. Say, yeah, I watch with my Oculus on. Yeah, I just want to know some stuff. So anyway, I'm out. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace out, yo.